YouTube? It's your boy Mass Money, and I'm just having a blast. Like, I wasn't gonna talk about Chris Ray no more. I'm get tired of them. There's a lot more other scam artists, grifters out there that should really roast. But goddamn, I can't help it when people post stupid comments on my videos. It makes me want to come back and roast even more, man. God damn it. So let's get into it, man. Like, keep in mind, this is the same guy that put all his money in the AMC right at the top. Bought option calls, not even stocks. Freaking option calls, man. Not even puts. You should have been shorted. You short at the top, man. You don't go buy more calls, man. Like, this guy was taking that stock just to keep going up, following that stupid AMC squeeze bull crap. Freaking degenerates, man. People on YouTube are idiots. All the smart people will understand. I can tell just by reading the comment if you're an idiot or if if you have sense. And usually the people that are idiot, I just block them out anyway. So there you go. But let's watch some of this video and see what kind of stocks that he has for 2023, because it's probably going to be trash, or it's probably going to be the copy of the stocks from the same other YouTubers got out there. But like, let's watch this video a little bit.
In this video, guys, I want to go over some of the best stocks to invest in, not only if you're a beginner, but also if you are investing for this year coming off a bear market. Okay, with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and unpack a few things that I want you guys to also make sure you have in order before you invest in anything. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, right here I have the psychology of a market cycle pulled up for you guys, and if you can take your eyes down to the level where we're discussing both anger and depression. Okay, when you come off a recession, when you come off a year in which stocks are all down 25% or more, okay, outside of energy stocks, okay, when you come off that,
I don't think this is no real recession, man. Real recession is when the SPY at my SPY is like down at goddamn 250 or something. We're still high up, pretty high in the market, so this ain't no real recession. If the market goes down really low, oh man, I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna buy a bunch of ETFs and index funds. But let's continue. Let's see what else he has anything interesting to say.
Type of year, the psychology of the human person, okay, the psychology of individuals will tend to lag around either anger if you were in the market, or depression if you've seen your stocks go down 60, 70, 80, 90%. Okay. However, you must know these are called cycles. Brighter days are on the way. With that being said, guys, we as long-term investors, okay, we see this as one of the best times to begin to buy stocks. At the best time to be.
Honestly, man, I think the best time, you can buy stocks pretty much any time. Dollar cost average. So, like, you never know if even if the market's high, you buy low, and market's low, you buy low. You're always constantly buying, so you can't really time it. But honestly, if you look at the charts and stuff, you look at history, the low, however how low the market is, that's where you go real heavy. I think the lowest the market's been is like when COVID hit, when the pandemic hit, and then S&P was like down to like 250 or something. Like, that was a good time to go all in. So I don't know, but let's see if we can like fast forward and get to his stock picks, because I don't want to take up too much of your time.
Again, to dollar cost average plan you have at your job. That is the number one thing.
See, I'm glad you mentioned the 401k, because back then you didn't mention nothing about no 401k or Roth. Just had everybody go in there and gamble and buy all these stupid meme stocks.
You want to be invested in. Number two, you want to make sure that you have an emergency here.
There you go, Roth IRA. Yeah, you need that.
Give or take, depending on where you're at in age or whatnot. And so you would want to do that.
All right, let's skip this. Let's see what kind of stocks she's got.
Simple on that.
Yeah, VTI. Everybody pretty much knows VTI by now, hopefully.
Alright, now check this out, guys. I always start off with this. I'm retired. I retired in my mid-30s, okay? One way out, okay, is VUG, okay?
VUG, I don't think I've heard about that one, but I mean, they're pretty much all the same. You got VTI, VUG, VNQ, all that. Those are all pretty good index funds. So at least he started to clean up his act and start to tell people to buy more safer stuff. So before we were just buying a bunch of penny stock garbage. People lost a lot of freaking money. You go back to his old videos.
This is a growth ETF. Matter of fact, let me double back to this really quickly, guys. Look at the top 10 holdings inside of this, okay? You got access to Apple. You get exposure to Microsoft. You get exposure.
Pretty much like all the index funds, ETFs have all the same stocks. You got Apple, Microsoft, all these, like, all the companies in the U.S. and whatnot. So you can go either one, but I wouldn't buy a whole bunch of them. I'll just stick to one or two and just load up on that. And you keep investing for years and years. By the time 30 years pass by, you'll be up massively.
To the Amazon, Google, portfolio made up, not with a bunch of meme stocks.
Yeah, I haven't heard of this one. VTV? But anything with Vanguard is good, it's decent. So can't hate.
Not with a bunch of hype stocks, not with a bunch of penny stocks, okay? Something I did, okay? Very few people in this space are legit or real or have really.
I don't know, I won't waste no money on one-on-one coaching, man. These guys be finessing the damn coaches. Like, what is he gonna coach you? Tell you to buy index funds? I can tell you guys do that for free. So, like I said, he's cleaned up his act a little bit, but this guy was way worse a year ago in the last 2 years. So he's starting to pick a little bit better stocks, but just be careful, man. Just plenty of other YouTubers out there you can watch. You don't have to watch me, but careful taking advice from these guys. I'm not exposed to other YouTubers that's been going out putting out trash either. But this is it for now. Like, subscribe. If you leave a hate comment, go and leave a hate comment. I don't care, man. I'm putting this out there. There's people that like Chris Gaines, people that don't like him. But he's got a crazy following that'll do anything. And alright, look at this, man. This guy even took the damn comments off, man. What does that tell you? Comments are turned off, man. So that's it, man. I'm out.